Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phighting Roblox mobile. First, download the Roblox application onto your device from its respective app store. Then, simply search for Phighting within the app and launch the game. Log in or create your Roblox account, and you are ready to begin. The initial setup is straightforward, so you can jump into the action quickly. This ensures a smooth start to your Phighting experience. Phighting on mobile uses an intuitive touch interface. Your virtual joystick on the left handles movement, allowing fluid navigation around the map. On the right, you will find several buttons for your character's abilities and attacks. Mastering these takes some practice, so spend a few moments getting comfortable. Dragging your finger across the screen moves your camera, giving you full situational awareness. To ensure smooth gameplay, optimize your device's settings. Lowering graphics quality can significantly improve your frame rate, especially on older devices. Always close other applications running in the background as they consume valuable resources. A strong, stable Wi-Fi connection is also crucial to reduce lag. These adjustments make a noticeable difference in your overall experience, allowing for more precise movements and actions. Success in Phighting requires smart tactics. Select characters that complement your team, balancing damage, support, and defense. Always focus on the objective, whether it is capturing a point or eliminating key targets. Map awareness is vital. Understanding spawn points and common pathways helps you predict enemy movements. Effective communication with your teammates through pings or chat will significantly enhance your team's overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.